How do you make a pivot table on Excel? Well, today we're going to find out. So first, we're going to need some data. Alright, we got some data. This data is from Pokemon. So next, go to the top left here, go to Insert. From here, it's going to auto-select the data selected. You can either paste it here, go to a new worksheet. From here, we can go to typings and we can find out what the most common typing is. And we can clearly see here that water type is the most prevalent, with water fighting and everything here being the least common. Another thing you can do is you can find out stats per typing. So you're going to want to move one of these fields from the table down here under values. You can go right here, value settings. You can click average. This will give you the average of the typings listed. You can sort it from descending order. So as you can clearly see here, the highest average is dragon flying, electric flying, and everything descending here, with the weakest typing being bug poison. So what you want to extract from your data as an insight is bug poison have the weakest overall total stat, meaning that they're going to be a weaker Pokemon. And then from here, if you want to find out specific details, you can add that in as a row here, and you can add in more information. And then from there in the pivot table, if you want to make changes to the layout, one of my favorite is tabular. And then from there, you just remove the subtotals. And then I usually repeat all items. And from here, it'll give you a consolidated example, descending order with all the matching type. I like to think of a pivot table as like an ice cream sandwich. All the ice cream is the data, and you know it's ice cream. And once it's squished in the sandwich, you kind of have an idea of what the data is looking like. And this example, they're all looking like ice cream sandwiches. But you know, from your data, you can cover other things. You can find out these are all chocolate, these are all vanilla. That's a good ice cream sandwich. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.